In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an abandoned cart email on Shopify. If you've ever wanted to boost your online store's sales by reaching out to customers who left products in their carts, you're in the right place. An abandoned cart email can make a huge difference by nudging those potential buyers to return and complete their purchase. So, stick around as I walk you through this straightforward process on Shopify. First, let's get started by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Once you're on your store's admin page, take a look at the left-hand side panel. You'll see various options lined up there, and what you want to do is click on Marketing. This is where all your promotional magic happens, including setting up marketing emails. After you click on Marketing, look for the Automations section. This is where Shopify helps us automate repetitive tasks, saving time and effort that can be better spent elsewhere in your business. Upon selecting Automations, the next step is to click on View Templates. Shopify offers a variety of templates that are ready to be customized and used effectively for different aspects of your marketing strategy. Once you've clicked on View Templates, use the search feature to look for Abandoned Cart. Shopify's search bar is pretty efficient, so you'll quickly see a list of templates specifically related to abandoned carts. Now, here's the crucial part. Choose the Recover Abandoned Cart template. This template is precisely what you need, as it is designed to automatically send an email to your customers when they add at least one item to their cart, but do not follow through with a purchase. Essentially, it's a gentle reminder for them to return and complete the transaction, which can significantly improve your conversion rates. Before you can use this powerful feature, Shopify will prompt you to install any necessary applications. These might be required to ensure the automation works seamlessly across your platform. Make sure you follow any additional instructions they provide for installing these apps, if needed, so your automation is fully functional. Once you've installed any necessary applications, simply select the automation, and voila! Your Shopify store is now set to send out abandoned cart emails. It's the perfect way to re-engage with potential customers and increase your chances of converting those visits into sales. And there you have it, folks. Setting up an abandoned cart email on Shopify doesn't have to be daunting. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently remind your customers of the great products they're leaving behind and encourage them to revisit and shop. Remember, recurring revenue is key, and this strategy is a powerful tool in ensuring just that. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.